It just started raining, and it's just normal, because we've had those kind of rains here. And our electricity went away, and I take a peek out, and I see a river. The Jeep is like halfway submerged in water. And I call my husband, and he tells me that, we will have to get out of the house. We cannot stay. And we all were scared.
I was actually up in PA. Ended up getting a call that West Virginia got hit. I'm told that my house got flooded. My family had to evacuate. Me being all the way in PA, it's kind of like, oh my gosh, here I am at a conference and my family's almost drowning.
My washer was floating in the water, my dryer was floating in the water, my furnace had submerged.
With all of us just adding to the plate, it just makes the broken things seem a little bit more broken sometimes. I came back and we made some progress, but there was still so much mud, so much gunk.
We didn't had nothing. We just got out in a panic. All of this was overwhelming. And I don't think that we would have been able to do it all alone.
When Samaritan's Purse came by, it's like it took basically from well, here we are hopeless and just dealing with mud and gunk, wondering what we're going to do next. And Samaritan's Purse came by with the whole team and just helped us not just clean things up, but start moving things towards the curb to where we can start actually rebuilding things.
They asked where to start at, and I told them pick a place, and they did. Washing off concrete, scraping mud up, about anything that I could ever imagine them doing, they did.
I'm positive that me and my dad couldn't have done that on our own.
I'm also a disabled vet, so getting on my knees is really hard, and a lot of work that would need to be done was stuff that would take a lot of time for me to do on my own.
The willingness to help was amazing.
Whenever we're just kind of stuck in a duck in the water, God sends his people. Once I saw the impact that Samaritan's Purse made with me and my family, that kind of put a passion. It's okay, I was wondering what God was going to do, and God came through for me. I want to go help people.
It was like God's presence was there. I could feel it. It's like God sent that help, and so many people, they've driven all the way here to help people. Very few hearts are like that.
When we get to a home that's been damaged, a lot of times the people are really down, but after we're working for a couple hours, their whole countenance changes, and it's great to see the joy.
We lost so much, and we're having to rebuild everything, but we're just not alone.
The whole team got together and joined hands with us. You could feel that the love was there, God's love was there. It's just really an impactful moment, especially when you feel completely lost.
We're helping in Jesus' name, and we're called to shine his light, and he gives us his light.
Even when the floods came, the thought came to my mind that nothing's going to happen to us. I'm very, 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 very grateful to Samaritan's Purse for getting our life back together.